Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about the filter function, which is another higher order function in Python. Now again, filter is so what is the filter? So this is a function called filter function, right? So filter function is another higher order function in Python that takes a function and an iterable as arguments and return an iterator that yields the elements of the iterable for which the function returns true. So it will apply certain function, and wherever it is true, it will return that, and for false it will just don't ignore that and only true. So that's the main purpose, right? So I want to apply a filter and I want to get certain elements only which is falling in that category, right? So that makes sense. So now let's see how to filter out the even numbers from a list. So let's define a nums and this num equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and let's say 10. So like this, let's say this is a nums, right? Now I will take the even nums equal to filter is a inbuilt function which takes an function as input. So I'm not defining any function, I'll just take a lambda function, and then if it is percentage 2 equal 0, and I want it to apply on all the nums, right? And then obviously it will be a list, we have to do an even nums. So what it has done, it has gone, it applied here, it is the residual was not 0, and here the residual was 0, so it is a true, so it has selected that in the result iterable, and similarly we can apply. So this is a very basic example, one of the filter example. Now let's try to apply it on a list of strings. Okay, so we'll apply only the word that starts with a or a, small a or capital A from the list. Okay, so let's have a list of fruits which is apple, banana, orange, avocado, then what else? I like mango. Yeah. Okay, so this is a list of fruits. Now I want to get a words. So a words means which is starting with a smaller a or a capital A. Okay, now we can apply a filter on this. Filter out lambda x where first element. So we know that indexing we can do the first element in list, either a or capital A. So that is my, and on which I want to apply words, and then I will get a list of a words, nothing, sorry, it's a fruits. A fruits, let's say apple and avocado. How simple it was, right? Applying a filter and getting the values which you want. Great, right? Now let's do another one, and then we'll look into some other which is a reduce function. But let's see one more example of filter function. So let me define one is long word, will pass a word, and then I will return len of word greater than 5. So what I'm trying to using filter with a custom function to only keep element that satisfy a certain condition. So, okay, so my condition here is I will be retaining a function which is at least 5 character long. Okay, so I will check whether the len of the word is less than 5 or not, it's greater than 5 or not. So I want all the words which is greater than 5. Okay, so that is my filter condition. So this is my filter condition. And then what I will be doing, I will be having a list of words. So I will be having words is equal to list of words. Let's say hello, let's say world, let's say I have Python programming. Okay, and then I will take a long words equal to filter is long word, and then on words I'll apply that, and then I'll get a list of long words. So where we getting output as Python and programming. Makes sense, right? Because hello world are exactly 5, so which is not the criteria, and I can filter it out, right? Isn't amazing? So when it is useful, so again when we need to, it's very useful when we need to select certain element from an iterable based on some condition. Okay, so it allows us to easily filter out elements that does not meet a certain criteria, and it can be useful to make our code more concise, readable, and expressive. Sorry. So very good, very good function, and very handy and a useful function. That's all for this video. See you in another video.